Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have another earwax removal video for you, so you can see that we have some like a large clump of earwax in the ear canal here. It looks quite soft in nature, so we're going to start off using a little bit of microsuction just to try and get rid of some of this wax. So going in with a standard size ulnar tube here, because we've got quite a wide end, so we can suck as much of this wax and get as good a grip as we can. I know you guys have seen me use a fine end sometimes, but fine ends are great for delicate situations and for clearing very close to the eardrum where you need to be very specific, but for big wax clearances you need to go in with a standard size ulnar. So you can see we've got a good suction grip on this, wiggling it back and forth. I know we've talked about the wiggle before, but wiggling it back and forth just to loosen it from the canal. You can just see it starting to work its way out. There you go, lots of circular movements up and down. There we go. It's starting to come out. Long piece of wax. Here it comes. That is one big piece of wax. So pretty much all came out in one big chunk. You've got some little bits of debris left in there. So we're just going to nip this one off on the side. There you go. Still quite a large chunk. You can see a little bit of skin there and a little bits of wax debris. So I cleared that away, just get out of my view. There you go, getting the grip on there. You can see a little bit of what looks like moisture in there or liquid. That's just a bit of olive oil. This patient's been using some olive oil to try and clear this wax. Pulling that section away there. There you go, another nice big chunk of wax. Okay, now when we take a look at the eardrum, you can see there's some wax around the bottom edge there of the eardrum. So just clearing away some on the way down. Okay, you can see where that's pulled. There we are, it's pulling away, just getting a grip on it. There you go, you can see it's just starting to lift. There's a little dip just at the end of the ear canal where it hits the eardrum. So you can see that was all caught in that little sort of crevice there. I've cleared the majority of the wax away now. There you go, so here we go with the fine end. Just a little bit of delicate section on the eardrum now. You can see that we've got that little blob of wax there in the center. It looks like a little hair. There we go, that's what it was. Just taking away, there you go, you can see we've got, it's very thin wax, it's almost like a liquid there now left on the eardrum, so no need to remove that. It would be very painful and very delicate to try and get all that away, but just suctioning as much as we can. You can see there's a little blob just there on the left hand side. There we are, a little bit just over that ridge. There you go, starting to come away. Excuse me. There we go. So there's the eardrum. All looks nice and healthy. And that was the wax removed. You can see nice big chunks of wax in there. So there we go, all done. And as always, guys, if you like the video, then please share, like, subscribe, and as always, take care.